The Woodfung CNC router is built with a heavy-duty body and thickened beam, equipped with high-precision rack guides, premium electrical components. Ensures long service life and high machining accuracy. Install DSP controller. Connect live wires to terminals 1 to 3 and the neutral wire to terminal 4. Release emergency stop, then start the machine. Clear all obstacles around the machine, then home X, Y and Z axis to mechanical origin. Under continue mode, quickly adjust the spindle position using X+, X-, Y+, Y-, Z+, and Z keys. Hold down the set key for 2 seconds to set the lubricator working time in seconds, then press set once more to set the interval time in minutes. Install the milling cutter and tighten the fixing nut against the spindle rotation direction. Loosen the nut following the spindle rotation direction when removing the milling cutter. Secure the workpiece with fixtures. Move the milling cutter to the machining origin. Use continue mode to quickly adjust the position of the milling cutter. Press the mode key to switch to dist mode. Set the adjustment distance for precise positioning of the milling cutter. Press mode for step mode. Cutter moves 0.1 mm per key press. Move cutter tip to drawing origin. Press for 8 to 0 coordinates and set machining origin. Insert USB disk. Press run, select drawing, set parameters and start machining. The machine processes along the programmed path from the drawing. This machine adopts G-code, unit, millimeter, drawing files. The commonly used software to generate machining toolpaths includes ArtCam, JDPaint, Ucanum, Vectric Series, Type 3, DeskProto and so on. This machine supports customized appearance and structure, including vacuum adsorption, servo drive motors, water-cooled, air-cooled spindles, multi-spindle carving, rotary axis, expanded working area, dust collection system and other configurations. Woodfung Machinery provides you with comprehensive after-sales service and technical support. Feel free to contact us for inquiries.